Do you feel overwhelmed by all what you have to work to be able to play the piano, and particularly maybe the song that you are learning right now? Let's talk about that. Hello, I'm Frank and I'm here to help you to become a successful musician. In this video, I want to talk about the problem that you may have feeling overwhelmed when you want to learn a difficult song or quite long. I already talked about that, and the idea is to do small chunks, to learn by pieces, by small bites. But more generally, and that's what the message I want to share with you today. When you practice the piano, like any other skill, to avoid feeling so frustrated, so overwhelmed by looking at your distant goal, which seems out of reach, in fact, the best way to handle that is to focus on getting a bit better. Some people say it's more in the, let's say, business or economy sector, but some people say try to get 1% more than the previous day. So 1%, I don't know how to measure that, okay, on the piano, but the idea is 1% is not that much. So every time you practice a particular technique or a song, try to play it a bit better. Just that. Just try to be a bit better, because if you manage to do that for each time you practice, you will get better. I mean, it's inevitable. It will build up. It's what some people call the compound effect. I may do a video about that later on, but you will take this small person, this small step, and you add up like that, and you will climb, you will reach your goal like that without any problem. It's like climbing a stair. You take one step after one step, and you may climb 10 floors. And if you focus on just one step, you will get there. Otherwise, you will just look up and say, "Oh, wow, that's too much. I won't get there." So focus on that, being slightly better, doing maybe just a little particular technique, be a bit better every time, and that's the secret if you wish to make progress. And without feeling overwhelmed by all that you want to learn and all the difficulties, take it by small pieces, small bites each day, and you will be successful, no doubt. So that was my message for this video. I hope that it helps you a little. And please, I would like to know, my question for you today: what is your main struggle right now on the piano or as a musician? Share that in the comments and let's start the discussion.